This is Math for Liberal Arts, Review Test 3, Chapter 5. We're going to go through the first 10 questions. A number that is divisible by both 5 and 10 must be also divisible by 50. The first 8 questions are true-false question. This question is actually false. The reason why this question is false is, for example, 30. 30 can divide by 5 and 30 can divide by 10. But 30 cannot divide by 50. That's the reason why the first answer is false. The second answer is, if a number is divisible by 50, it also can be divisible by 5 and 10. This answer is true because, let's say, 50. The number 50 can be divisible by 50. The number also can be 50 also can be divisible by 5 and 10. 100. 150, 200. These numbers actually can be divided by 50, and those numbers also can be divided by 5 and 10. That's the reason why that question 2, the answer is true. Question 3. All whole numbers are integers. This is true because whole number consists of numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So integers also consist of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's the reason why question 3 is true. Question 4 is false. All integers are whole numbers is because integers consist of numbers of -1, -2, -3, 0, 1, 2, 3. But unfortunately, and so on, unfortunately that whole numbers only consist of 0 to 1, 2, 3. That's the reason why question number 4 is false. Question number 5. The integers are closed under subtraction. Now, the meaning of close means that if you perform an operation for integers, let's say in this case subtraction, we will get back integers. So what do I mean here is, these are the integers. If you pick any two numbers, let's say -3 and 2, if you subtract these two numbers, you will get a -5. Now this -5 actually found inside the integer. That's the reason why question number 5 is true, because the integers are closed under subtraction. If you pick any other two numbers, if you subtract them, you find out that the number belongs back to the set itself. So that's the reason why the integers are closed under subtraction. For the integers are closed under division, this is actually false. The reason why this question is false is because if you take 5 and if you take -2, if you divide 5 with -2, you get -2.5. which is not inside this set. So that's why this set is not closed under division. But some students will ask, how about 6? 6 can divide by -2, which is -3. But as you know that if you want to have close, you have to do all the possible combinations of numbers, not just selected numbers. That's why question number 6 is false. Question 7. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 3 plus 1 plus 2 is an example of associative property. This is actually false because this is actually a commutative property. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equals to 1 plus 2 plus 3 is an example of associative property. This question is actually true.